This is my speaker muting modification. The speaker delay line there is a UPC 1237 dual channel speaker protection circuit board. So if you Google that, there's heaps of supplies using AC off the soundboard to power it. 20 volts AC. So I've made this adapter cable here. Well, it's not going to focus. To get AC off pins 1 and 3 from the sound board AC input. The relay output of the board just goes straight in line with the return or the front line speaker, it doesn't matter, but I've just used J504, so they're the two wires that just go loop in through and out the relay there. This is my power cable. It's just an coax, old video coax I'm using as a power cable, 2-pin connector. So that's pretty much all there is to it. It says it's only designed for I think 16 or 18 volts AC, a DC, AC. You can put AC or DC in to power the delay line, but AC is better because it's the first thing that drops off when you hit the on-off switch. And loading up DC off these pinball machines is not good. They don't like being loaded up. This one's not so bad. The Rotten Dog board can handle some more grunt being taken off the 12 volts, but the stock Williams boards don't, they're already running hot. So anyway, it works like that and it's pretty simple. So listen to its setup, just stock at the moment. You'll hear, this is for those who don't know pinball machines, this is the sound, similar sound to every machine makes. It's normal, believe it or not. That's switching it on and off, and that's normal, they all do it. And just let it go through and boot. Okay, I'll hook up the speaker delay line now. Switch it on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. When the green light comes on, the speaker becomes active. Boom, that's active now. Not even halfway through doing its boot. There's the dong. So it's fully booted. We'll switch it off. No noise at all. On, off. Works a treat. So there you go.